Hello people! Oy Nina! So there's this new place inside Clark at Philinvest Mimosa that we got curious. That's why we thought of coming and visiting and trying out what they have to offer. Tara! Let's go! This place has an open kitchen setup, and they say kapag open kitchen, the people there are confident enough to show how the food is being prepared for us. Interesting! Meron ding orientation dito of the variety of hot sauce through the staff. Like this one here, si Sir Ivan.
Hi, Ivan. Okay.
Siyempre, visit na lang kayo para kayo mismo ang makaka-experience of the orientation. Ay, dito ako sa glass na to, pinaka-curious.
This one inside is a chili oil, and outside, ma'am, is a olive oil.
We are here at Firehouse and we are going to try their food. Ang original and main branch nila is in Alabang. And this is their second branch according to the staff here. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Marie. Alright, thank you. May baby tomatoes, the burrata, oh, let me show you. There's walnut in it and the beet. Okay. So, the burrata. There you go. As usual, slight cream from the burrata. The alfalfa. Or is this the arugula? Yung green, arugula. Sarap. Nati. What do you expect from arugula? Sarap. Very nutty. Ang linis ng lasa. So fresh. The burrata did give a little creaminess, but very light on the salad. Sarap. Sarap ng arugula. Bakit wala akong makita sa supermarket ng mga arugula? Where can I buy? And now we are going to try their aligre pasta. Look at the prawn. Look at how big the prawns are. Let's see. Ay, let's just cut it with this one. Oh, crispy. Sarap. Quality yung pagkakaluto ng prawn. Hindi siya dry, hindi siya nadudurog. Smoky. Very prominent yung aligre taste. Pero for some reason, they were able to make it smoky. Yung lasa niya. It's good. It is aligre and it has a hint of spice but not too overpowering. Sakto lang siya. Parang cassava chips. Yes, it's cassava chips. Very thin yung crisp. It's good. Now we'll try their chicken. Sabi nila, signature chicken din nila to. Soft crisp. Masarap. Tender, oh. Cold. Let's try. Gravy. Pero the chicken as it is, very flavorful na. Mild yung batter, and the crust is good. Parang homemade na rin, ganon. Pero may hint of spice ulit. I don't know where it's coming from. Parang dito, chili flakes, sabi. Ayan o, binugbod. Yung chili flakes. Okay. Nice. Now, we are going to the pizza. This is their Firehouse Pizza specialty. It has arugula on it. Ano ito? Ano yung meat? Ano yung meat? Anyway, sige, tikman na natin. I love arugula. Parang nag-order tayo, hindi na-emphasize yung arugula, no? Kung na-emphasize yun, ako, I'll be excited to really order this. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Masyadong social.
Alam ko na. Prosciutto! Prosciutto!
Dahil 50s na tayo, we always enjoy anything or pizza na may greens. All the more if it's arugula, right? So, just like me, or Nina, yum. So, sabi ni Ivan, it is your choice kung if you feel like you wanna moisten your pizza even more or the salad, although the salad is good enough. Pero para lang ma-experience natin to, I'll go for the olive oil side. Ooh. Yung chili, ayoko na kasi medyo may hint of spice na and that's good enough for me. Better with the olive oil. Better with the oil. Yeah. Yes. It's a yes for me. Try natin din yung creamy jalapeno sauce. Parang dito ako curious. For the pizza ba to? Oo, no? Kasi yung pasta natin, red. O, di ba hindi ko alam buksan? Ivan, help. Pala sa bahay ng ganito. It's just a twist. O, sige. Thank you. Oo nga, twist lang. I thought I will open it entirely. Anyway. Konti lang muna. O yung oil talaga, mas sumarap. Para siyang naglasang shawarma for me. So, yeah, you can try it. Pero for me, it tasted like shawarma. Ayoko, natatakot ako, baka maanghang. Kayo na lang mag-try. Ha? No, I can't.
So there you
I'm
go.
good. Thank you.
Tapos na ang aming Firehouse Pizza experience. And if you're gonna ask me if we enjoyed it, yes naman we did. It was an experience. It may be on the pricier side, but quality naman overall ang food. So if you wanna try, go ahead. Thank you for watching. Till our next one. Bye!